Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a quick review request using our demo account. So let's jump in. Log into your account, then navigate over to the left-hand side under Request. Select that option. This is where you can request referrals, endorsements, or reviews. Let's select the review option. Requesting a review is really straightforward. All you do is enter in your customer's first and last name and their mobile number. I'm going to add in my information for this demo. Next, we select the review type. This is a written review, so just leave it on the default written option. Also note, if you are subscribed to our referrals module, you can attach a referral request to this review request. You can learn more about this in our Help Center. We're going to just send a simple review request. Down below, you can customize your text greeting. You can use the default that we've already provided, or you can choose one of your custom templates that you've already created. You can learn more about this in the Help Center. I'm going to manually customize this message. All right, I've typed out a message here. You can see that I've included a data hook that pulls in the customer's first name automatically. We also include our preview feature. Click on the preview button and you can instantly see exactly what your customer is going to see on their phone. It includes their name, a custom message, as well as a link that they can tap so that they can go ahead and leave a review. This looks great, so we're going to send this request. Great, that request has been sent. Let's now toggle over to my phone and I'll show you what that experience looks like for your customer. Here I am on my phone. You can see the message. It includes my name, the message, as well as a link that the customer can tap in order to leave a review. So let's tap that link. Here I have the ability to leave a star review and then explain how good my experience has been. I've typed out that message and now I can go ahead and submit that review. Let's pivot back over to the platform. So we've sent the review request and now we can track all of our reviews right down here on our dashboard. That's it. You're now ready to send a quick review request. Good luck.